Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I have came up with a video of you can say 5-minute makeup tutorial, or you can say my go-to makeup tutorial, or anything, because this makeup is something that I wore every single day. Not every single day, not to my college, obviously I don't wear makeup to my college, but whenever I have to go somewhere or I have to visit somewhere and I do the makeup real quick, I do this steps, and I am going to share this with you. And this is pretty simple that everyone can do it with minimal possible products. And I've also shown you how you can achieve these curls with a straightener. Simple one. If you really want an elaborate tutorial on that, do let me know in the comment section. I'll do that for you as well. And without making this intro pretty long one, let's just jump into the video and start the process of getting this makeup look, which I really love, and this is really easy to recreate. I just hope, I don't know why I am saying this, but I just think that you guys will like it. So let's just start the video.
So I always start off by moisturizing my face, and for that I use two moisturizers. First of all, I'm using this Joves moisturizer, and I'm doing this vlogger thing, that Instagrammers do. You can totally ignore that. And then I'm taking this alograce moisturizer. You guys know how much I love it, and I'm just dotting it all over my face, you can see, and a bit more onto my nose, and then I'm just pushing it into my skin. And just by applying these two things, it already has given me a very good glow, as you can see. And then I'm taking a foundation. You can totally use a BB cream. I am taking little amount of the foundation, as you can see, on my fingers, and then tapping onto the areas where I have spots, pigments, as you can see. I'm pushing the product into my skin so that it gives me a more natural look instead of patting it onto my skin. And then I'm using a concealer. This is from Wet n Wild, and this concealer is of my shade. I'm applying it the area where I have some pigments going on, just like around my mouth. And then I'm going to wait for 5 seconds, and then with the help of my fingers, I'm just going to blend it onto my skin, which is going to give me again a natural look, because the heat from the fingers will melt the product into my skin and it will leave a natural look. And then I'm using a bullet lipstick, and this is in a shade kind of pinkish reddish type of, and then I'm going to take it onto my fingers and then blend it onto my cheeks to give a tint of color. You can obviously use any tint that you have, but as of the moment I don't have any, so I'm using this lipstick. Then I'm gonna set the concealer using my all-time favorite palette from Wet n Wild. I'm just using that banana powder and set the concealer. And then I'm going to go with the brows. You can see my brows are already fuller, but then still I always love to do that, and for that I'm using a palette from Europe Girl, and this is such an amazing palette. I'm just taking the medium brown shade and then just filling this sparse area, and then I'm using a gel to hold the shape, and this is from Essence. And then I'm going to set the entire thing with a dewy makeup finishing spray by NYX. I love to do this step because I love a glowy makeup for every day, and I never skip this step, but if you want you can totally skip it. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes with a lash curler, and then I'm going to apply mascara. And I apply mascara, several coat of mascara for every day, but if you want you can go with liner also, but I don't like to use liner for day-to-day basis. After that I'm using a lipstick. This is a bullet lipstick, and it's one of my favorite lipstick. What a lipstick! This is just in 100 rupees, but the color payoff, the formula, everything is very very good. And this shade is really different in person, but it is looking a little bit pinkish in the camera. And then I'm going with a highlighter for everyday, but you can totally skip it, it's up to you, because the two moisturizer thing will already give you some glow. But if you are a fan of highlighter like me, then you can definitely go with it. It will just give you a more glowy look. As you can see, I'm already glowing. I'm also highlighting my brow bone, but you can totally skip that as well. Then I'm again going with another coat of mascara because I was not satisfied with the way it was looking earlier, so I am going with another coat. And then I'm also giving you an option how you can style your hair. For this hairstyle, I'm just going with little bit of curl in the front of my hair. As you can see, I have bangs in the front, so I am just giving a little bit waviness into that using a straightener. But you can, if you want, you can just skip it and go as you like. I mean, with a bun, with a ponytail, whatever. This makeup look will be perfect with any hairstyle that you would like to do. And so yeah,
nothing I can do,
and this is the final look, and you can see it's very beautiful and glowy and perfect for every day. If you're not comfortable with red lipstick every day, then you can switch it with a nude lipstick. You can add liner, you can subtract highlighter. It totally depends upon you. So this is what I do for my everyday look. I hope you guys liked it.
in the moonlight, I can only imagine, I can only